Alright, TikTok. Today I'm going to be going over what tools you might need if you're starting an HVAC apprenticeship. Or maybe if you lost a couple tools and this will remind you of something you need. But anyways, let's get into it. So originally I was going to do only the necessities of what you might need to bring on your first day. But I just figured, why not just do it all? They might not have you throwing up a thermostat on your first day. But you guys can watch this and decide what you need to bring and what you don't. So let's just get into everything I use on a daily basis pretty much. Without a doubt, don't even show up on your first day if you don't have an impact drill. Obviously, a nice hammer drill will help out, but that is absolutely mandatory. You can get an M12, or if you want to be a real man, you can get an M18. No, I'm just joking, but either will do, but go for Milwaukee. Alright, so first let's get the universal tools out of the way. So you'll definitely need a crescent wrench. A couple of different sizes will probably help. A smaller one than this will probably come in handy. Hammer or persuasion tool. Alternative lifestyle pliers. Some scissors will really come in handy when cutting Armaflex insulation. I really recommend getting a pair. Getting a good screwdriver set, Phillips and flathead. I have this from Klein. It's both insulated, works well. And a beater screwdriver. This comes in handy so much. I lost mine. I just had to buy another one, but I use this every day. A pair of wire strippers will definitely be used almost every day. So everything I just went over are must-haves for most trade jobs. Now I'm going to get more into HVAC-specific tools. Like I said, some of these you might need right away. Some of these you can hold off on, but I'm going to review them regardless. A pair of snips you probably want to have on your first day. There's a lot of sheet metal work involved, and you don't want to be using everyone else's tools. So get you a pair of these before you go. Now, me personally, when you start off as a new guy, you're going to be doing a lot of ductwork. You're not going to be brazing or doing any of that. So everything ductwork related, I would say just go ahead and buy. So a duct knife, a Panduit gun, some metal bending tongs. I feel like I'm missing something ductwork related, but let me know. Some PVC cutters will be good. Gas wrench when you start doing your gas. Copper cutters. Surface wrench, you can probably hold off on that for a little bit. Thermostat screwdriver, they're cheap. I would just go ahead and buy one. Torpedo level, just kind of zooming through it now. Swaging tool. Absolute must. Again, don't even show up if you don't have a headlight. Absolute must. Lifeline right there. Tape measure, I forgot to go with universal tools. Another loaner on universal tools. Pair of channel locks. This bendable extension and this 90 are super good for getting those hard to get to screws, blowers, all that. Always good to have a marker. You can get these from your company warehouse or the supply house. These will be good for running tests or more of a service type of thing. If you have any problems on startup, these are always good to have. New guys, you probably don't have to worry about these. But yeah, that's pretty much everything. If you're starting out, a pair of analogs would be nice to have. Otherwise, it can be good for having an extra set of gauges, recovery, you know. Now I gotta keep that thing. So that's pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think I need to add to my tool bag. I'm organizing my bag. Thought I'd make this video real quick. Maybe help someone out or just kind of give a tool tour. But yeah,